Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. You want more information about how to measure a fat dog? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to measure a fat dog is www.webmd.com. Specifically the page titled How to Lose Belly Fat, Tips for a Flatter Stomach. This is the link. You can also try blogs.telegraph.co.uk, especially the page The Devious Life Cycle of Dog Worms and How to Get Rid. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site nowlost.com. The web page nowlost.com, How to Look Good Naked for Free. This is the link.